So, Assalamu alaikum. This is actually part 2 to the weekly video for 13th of February because I paused the video to take a phone call and then I pressed the wrong button and the video just stopped. And at this stage, I haven't figured out how to how to carry on, and I don't know if I can put 2 videos together and I don't edit the videos. So we're just going to roll with it. This week we are having part 1 and part 2 to the weekly update. Now, what was I talking about? FGM. So this afternoon, I think, yes, year 7 and year 8 will be doing their lesson on FGM with Ustada Sanam, just learning about what it is, and that will take place today. Now, next week, right, so next week we have half term. Alhamdulillah, we will be starting, inshallah, Ramadan in the middle of half term. And today, all the students were gifted one of these, which is a Ramadan journal. And this was actually very kindly given to us by Al Khair School. So all the students received a copy. And in the morning, during tutorial, they did get a chance, hopefully, of looking through, and it includes things like morning du'as, evening du'as, and then it's got a page for my du'a list. So we were encouraging the students to spend some time thinking about what they'll be making du'a for this Ramadan. And it has a really nice daily reflection exercise and also a check-in exercise. So for example, where they are in their Quran reading or which surahs have they read. There's a daily du'a, there's a checklist here for dhikr if they've doing any dhikr, and also a checklist for the salahs that they've prayed. So really encouraging parents to get involved as well. Encourage your daughter to fill out this Quran journal and do one as well with her, just to get everyone to be intentional and reflective over this month, inshallah. There's nice hadiths written in here. There's lots of things they can, inshallah, take benefit from their Quran, their Ramadan journal, inshallah. Now, as I'm talking about Ramadan journal, I also just remembered something else. We, if you remember, we took the students, had an assembly about mobile phones, and we were looking to do a social experiment where the students could give their phone in to the school for a week, and then see how the impact on their life. And this week on Monday was day 7, so they got their phones back, and they also made they did some reflections, written reflections, but also the content team did put together a short video interviewing some of the students, how they were feeling when they handed in their phone, how they felt with living a week without having a device, and then of course how they felt once they got their phones back. So that was a very insightful experience. Generally, I think, first of all, a lot of them mentioned across the board about how their sleep improved because not having their phone with them. And another thing was about homework as well. They generally found that they were so bored that they just got to do their homework. The day that it was set, they normally just got their homework done as opposed to waiting till the weekend and things like that. So some very interesting results. I haven't actually looked at all of the reflective journals for that yet. But this morning in tutorial, the content team had put together a video which everybody watched in their classes, which was quite nice as well, alhamdulillah. So a good experience, and something for us to think about. Let's leave it at that for now. We will come back, inshallah, on Monday the 23rd of February. And we have slightly amended Ramadan timings just to remind parents as well. So we start school as normal in the morning. We will be finishing a little bit earlier at 2:25 will be the last lesson for the day. They will leave at 2:25. If they have any interventions, which are after school, they will take place now during the lunch break. And the office will close at 2:45. So please make arrangements if you do pick up your daughter to get yourself here before 2:45, because after that point the office will be closed. So yeah, we would like collection to be done before then. Now, and the week when we come back, so we'll have 2 weeks. In that first week, and I think probably a week and a half, we will be doing a collection for a food collection, which we do every year as well, which is for our local food bank. I will be sending out a memo, a letter or something which will just show the type of items that we need, what the food bank need. So oftentimes it's pasta and tinned products and things like that, but they put up a list, I think every month or every couple of months, about items that they need at that point. So I will send that out, inshallah, if not today, then during some point this week, this coming week. So if you would like to donate something, please just hand that in to your daughter, and we will then take everything with us on the second week when we come back, inshallah. We also, the week we come back, we have a trip to Parliament that week for year 9, so that will be on the Wednesday. This is a free trip, but we do need permission, so if you can please just go to the Google form and complete that. And do I have anything else for next week? I think that's about it for now, inshallah. Okay, so I hope you will have a good week and a good half term, a few days of break, but alhamdulillah, a good time to get ourselves ready for Ramadan, inshallah. And maybe we'll have a blessed month of Ramadan. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.